Yeah.
It doesn't take anything to...
Well, if it's soft metal, how did it go through? Oh, my tires were hot. So I went through like...
I'm just pushing it in.
Well, that's not a bad thing either.
Yeah.
When you push it all the way through.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be a burnout tire after this, so I don't really care as long as we hopefully get it to hold air.
Get that rasping tool. Perfect.
Yep, I think I heard it fall.
There he goes.
Now I'm learning.
See, all this stuff comes back from my teenage life with my dad. If I didn't have fancier.
So how do you know when you're done reaming? It's just, you know, when you're happy?
Tom's
Yeah,
got
when
way
you're
more
happy.
experience than I do. I've only done this a few times.
Basically when it's
No,
not
you just
resisting a lot,
you want it. Well, you want it raw, right?
you want the inside to be
So basically,
receded
all you're doing is cleaning it for that.
for the glue.
For the glue that's in one of those.
Yeah, so many memories. I don't think you ever went to for kids in the military side to get you a
to the access room behind turn 13.
Trying to get it in the middle.
Yep.
And then you're just going to shove it in. I guess we'll see here in a second.
all glued up.
Do you have to wait for it to dry? Or after it?
The stuff that I use, actually, we don't use glue.
No?
It's in
It's in this thing, yeah. This, I think they say
just
they
different
glue it.
brand, different
Yeah.
manufacturer.
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it.
And then just trim it off? And then how long do you wait?
I don't.
Yeah. You don't? You don't have to wait for it to go drier?
That stuff is some pretty sticky.
So, good enough to get me home.
Yep.
I'll
But
follow you home.
Not good enough to track.
No 100s.
Yeah. No 100s, we'll keep it under 80. This is cool, he lives in Renton, so he can pretty much
Oh, cool.
follow me all the way home.